Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode or landscape mode, whichever one you prefer. Then after that, look at what I'm going to be doing, just walking at one side of the screen. Then you can just look at what I do as if you are flashing light on someone. Then after some few seconds or few minutes, you are going to be standing up, all right, to go to the other end of the screen. Go to the other side, change yourself, go to the other end of the screen. Then you do the same thing too. Repeat the other thing you did at the other side. Then you can stay like that for few seconds and few minutes as well, like you did the other side. Then after that, now you can comfortably just stand up and walk out. Okay. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, welcome to another amazing tutorial, guys. At this point, click on CapCut, new project, click on photos, import this background you want to use, click on it and drag it to the duration of the video. After that, you want to come back now, you mark anywhere, click on overlay again, add overlay, import this second background again, all right, click it and drag it to cover the first layer. After making it to align, then you come back, then you click it to make it to fit the screen, then you click on splice, click on filter now, then you mark on that good, you go back, locate duplicate, guys. Let's duplicate it now. Duplicate it, click it and drag it to the beginning of the video, all right. So you want to click it now and separate them. Drag this one to this side, click on the up one, drag this other one here. After doing that, now you want to be marking anywhere to click on overlay, click on add overlay, click on video now, import your video to workspace, guys. Click on volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on this good, then you go back, locate where you want the video to start from, guys. Locate from here now, you click on the video and make a split, delete this first part, click on this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then let's locate where we want the video to stop. All right, go, let's locate where we want the video to stop. Before you stand up, you want to click here and make a split, all right. Delete that last part, we don't need it again. Then you come back and click on this one now, you go and locate remove BG, guys. Look for remove BG, okay. Click on remove BG now, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. But at this point, guys, tell us what to make of that video you have just watched. What is your opinion about the video? Just in case you have a CapCut magic trick or effect you want us to create together, go and drop all that at the comment section, okay. If you love this video or you love what we are doing, go and smash your like button, give us thumbs up, okay. If today is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial, guys. At this point, we are still on BG removal. As you can see, that is still removing. Welcome back to this tutorial. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good, then you go back. So at this point, what we are going to be doing is, look at this place where you bend down. Before you stand up, you want to click here now and make a split, all right. Click on this one and drag it down, then you drag it to the beginning of the video. So at this point now, what we are going to be doing is to separate the two characters. You want to bring this one here and click on the other one and take it to the other side, all right. then you do your necessary adjustments. You can decide to expound the characters, all right? You can decide to make the characters bigger. Just calm down and do your necessary adjustment. As you can see what I am doing, all right? Take time. After all this adjustment now, you just play it to a point, all right? Just look at what I am going to be doing now. Immediately you raise your hand up. Look at what I am doing. Immediately you raise your hand up. At that point, we are going to be clicking on add overlay. So at this point now, click on add overlay, all right? Then you import this, your light, import it to workspace, okay? So the next thing is to click on splice. Click on splice, click on filter, mark on this good, then you go back, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on that good, then you go back. Then we want to adjust the light. Then the next thing now is to look at the light and use your hand to make the light fit your hands, all right? You want to make the light now fit your hands so that it will be that immediately your hand comes up, all right, the light will now pop up, all right? Just take your time here and do the necessary adjustment. As you can see what I am doing. After that now you play. Let's see what we have got. Good, you can see it now. So the next thing now is to go and look for adjust. Click on adjust now. Click on brightness. You can adjust it backward, maybe 10. You can just adjust it backward 10. Then you click on contrast, adjust it forward, all right? You can decide to make it 10 as well. Saturation, you can make it 10. Make all of them 10. But when you come to sharpen, all right, you can make sharpen 20, all right? You make clarity 20 as well. Sharpen and clarity, make them 20. Mark on that good now. Then you want to go back. At the end now, we want to duplicate this light. Click on locate duplicate, then you click on duplicate. Then you come here and crop that black side out. You click it to make it align because the light is too short before. That is why we need to do that one. At this point now, look at the video. The video is playing, but there is another light I want to add. So you click on add overlay. Then you import this purple light here, all right? Click on splice now. Click on filter. Mark on this good. Then you go back. Then you want to use your hand to adjust the purple light. Look at how it's going to be now. So at this point, I feel that this video is ready. We are going to go now to mark out the unwanted parts. You can play it. Go and mark out the unwanted parts. So at this point, you click here now, click here, the background, you make a split, all right? Click and make a split, drag it, click on this one and make a split as well. That is how you are going to split all of them. Then you start deleting them one after the other. You click, you delete, you click, you delete all of them, delete them. You can see what I am doing. After deleting them now, this video, I think and I feel, is ready. What will be remaining in this video now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. And after adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects, okay? Then after that now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on export. Then we export this video. So click on export now. Then you allow it to export 100%. Now this video have installed in your gallery, all right? The next thing now is to share it to your social media handles, all right? But guys, if you have enjoyed this video, you will do well by telling us your opinion. What do you think? What do you make up of this video? And just in case you have a CapCut magic trick or effect you want us to create together, do well by dropping all that at the comment section, all right? You might be lucky, I might pick yours, okay? If you love this video and you love what we are doing, give us a thumbs up. Just smash your like button, okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.